Some people ask why Red Rock Harley-Davidson service is top tier and how we're set the standard for platinum service 3 years in a row. Here's why.
We don't guess, we get it right the first time. That's what years of experience and training does for you.
Every rider, every bike, every request. We know the trends, the customizations, the latest models. We can make your Harley truly yours.
So to obtain such expertise in this shop, we like to work as a team. We provide constant training to obtain the highest level of certifications for all of our technicians, which also provides for very low turnover rates.
Warranty return rates, we're the lowest in the business. Customer satisfaction through the roof. And volume, we do more volume than any service department in the United States. Riders trust us and we deliver every time. Platinum isn't just a title, it's a promise. Ride in and experience the best. Your Harley deserves it.